Saxon Phonics, Lesson 35. This will be Assessment 6. The first half you can do by listening to me. The second half of the test will need to be done with a parent or guardian. Let's begin. Section 1. Let's spell some words for our assessment. I'll say a word. The first word is get. G-E-T. G-E-T. Number 2. Back. B-A-C. B-A-C. Number 3. Pick. Pick. P-I-C. P-I-C. Number 4. Ask. A-S-K. A-S-K. Ask. Number 5. Can. Can. K-A-N. K-A-N. Can. If you need to pause or rewind, go ahead and do that now. If you don't need to, let's go on to Section 2. Section 2. Look at the letter by number 6. Draw a line from the letter to its keyword picture. Please pause the video if you need more time. Let's move on to Section 3. Put your finger by number 9 and code the word sack. S-A-C. Something needs to be done to the A and the CK. S-A-C. Number 10. Milk. M-I-L-K. Something needs to be done to the I. Number 11. Snack. S-N-A-C. Something needs to be done to the A and CK. Snack. Number 12. Crab. C-R-A-B. Code the letter A in crab. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. If you don't need more time, let's do Section 4. Look at the blend by number 13. Draw a line from the blend to its picture. Let's go through the pictures so you know what they are of. Bread. Bread. Here is a split in the nail. Split. Straw. Straw. Scarf. Scarf. Block. Block. If you need more time, drawing a line from the blend to its correct picture, go ahead and pause the video now. Section 5. Look at the sentences by 18 and 19. Read the sentences and draw a line from one of the sentences to the picture it matches. Number 18 says, Tess sells dolls. Tess sells dolls. Number 19, Tim has a frog. Tim has a frog. Go ahead and draw a line now. Section 6. Complete this with a parent or guardian. The student will need to sound out and identify each word. If they identify correctly, put a check mark. If they get it wrong, leave it blank or put an X. Go ahead through these words and ask your student to read this word for me. When you're done with that section, look at section 7. Have your child tell you the name of this letter and the sound it makes. Do that for 24 through 25. Here's an example of how to write down their answers. When they say the letter, write down the letter. When they say the sound recognition, write it down like this. When you're finished, you may take a picture of your assessment and send it to your teacher, or you may submit it through Google Classroom.